Unlocking future predictions with the simple future tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we are going to dive deep into a fascinating area of English grammar, the simple future tense. This tense is your key to describing actions that haven't yet occurred, but will happen in the future. Without any further ado, let's get started. The simple future tense is a verb tense used to express an action that has not yet happened but is expected or planned to happen in the future. This future action could be a decision, a promise, an offer, a prediction, or a plan. In English, we often form the simple future tense by using the modal verb will or shall before the base form of the main verb. Remember, the simple future tense is will or shall plus the base form of the verb. We primarily use the simple future tense in three types of situations. 1. Predictions. We use this tense to talk about actions we think will happen in the future. For example, it will rain tomorrow. 2. Spontaneous decisions. We use it when we decide to do something at the moment of speaking. For instance, I will answer the phone. 3. Promises, offers, warnings, or threats. These could be statements like, I will always love you, or I will help you with your homework. To form the simple future tense, we combine will or shall with the base form of the verb. Here's how we do it. 1. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus will, shall plus base form of the verb. For example, she will travel to Paris next month. 2. Negative sentences. Subject plus will, shall plus not plus base form of the verb. For example, they will not attend the meeting. 3. Questions. Will, shall, plus, subject, plus, base form of the verb. For example, will you come to the party? Remember, shall is more formal and is generally used with I and we, especially in British English. And that's your quick guide to the simple future tense. With this tool in your grammar toolkit, you're ready to accurately discuss future events, make predictions, and more. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. So make sure to use the simple future tense in your conversations or writings whenever you can. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.